Hello everyone, this is Supra Syndicates from Tamil Nadu. We are supplying all type of carbide tools and CNC router spares. You can see now I am showing to you carbide tools which we are supplying. Is starting from 150 mm 6 inch 4 flute end mills and taper ball noses and end mills, then taper ball nose. You can see single flute cutters and straight flute cutters and ACP tools. Apart from this, we are supplying. You see all type of tools we are supplying. This is our catalog. And membrane weak root tools also we are supplying. You can see DSP controls and accessories and electrical spares, drives, SMBS, servo motors and the switches, water pumps, spindles and collets, bearings and ear wrenches. And see linear motion controls and spares. And lastly I am showing you accessories, belts, drag cables and dust collectors and nylon brushes, cooling fan and clamps and oil pump and accessories. If anybody wants any spares, you can just comment or click below link to see more products in our websites, and directly you can click below link to chat with me. You can get the good price and perfect quality. And markets available many spares and tools. Wherever you buy, you can just find perfect and good quality tools and spares only. Thank you.